for us to take law into our hands, cause such a commotion, injuring people in the name of doing politics. I've been told here, and we have heard in the meeting we have just held, that some politicians will want healthcare workers to come out of serving the patients so that they can clap for them as they arrive in the healthcare center. Which one is more important, the clapping or the saving of a life? So it is not right. A warning, the leadership in South Mogrango, please help us this embarrassment. It's not right, it's not fair. We must behave and live according to the level of positions we have asked people to give us. That's all I want to say. Thank you, healthcare workers. Go back, serve our people, and we are sure the county commissioner will do the rest in terms of security. Thank you very much.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa DG and your team. Let me also begin by appreciating the gesture that has been demonstrated by the Medics Union this afternoon. We have been able to make a breakthrough after agreeing that they go back to Nguru Hospital and have the facility operationalized. In terms of security, because these are the areas that they have expressed a lot of apprehension, we have assured them that we have put in place adequate arrangements to provide them with security on 24/7 basis. In areas they feel that there is need for additional security, we are going to dedicate those areas with a view of ensuring that they attend to their profession uninterrupted. We have also agreed that we are going to deploy security personnel at all level hospitals in the county. And we have therefore instructed the sub-county security teams to also have regular meetings with the Medics Union and the hospital administrations in their respective sub-counties with a view of ensuring that there are no gaps as far as the matters of security are concerned. Let me also, at this juncture, just caution the political class in the county that we are watching them, and going forward, we are considering putting sanction on some of them if they are going to be found to be involved in destructive activities and things that are likely to cause destruction within the county. On a few occasions, we have